Nós vamos cantar uma música intitulada Hello, Dog is my old friend. Eu e Salvador Dali. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left his seeds while I was sleeping. Then the visions that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, in the heat of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold, and then when my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light, till the night enters the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No wonder this took the sound of silence. Fools say I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. In my words that I might reach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silence when drops fell. And the people loud and pray to the little godly name, and the sign reflects each morning, and the word that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, and it blows. The sounds of silence. Hello, dog is my old friend. Hello, dog is my old friend.
I've come to talk with you again.